Hello guys, in this video I'm going to cover these two tricks on how to integrate trigonometric integrals. So first one, if you have tan to the nth power of x and you have secant x to the m power, if the tan is to the odd power and secant is to an odd or even power, you want to break it up and use this identity. Now, if you have tan x to the nth power and n being odd or even, and you have secant x to the mth power and it being even, then you want to use the secant squared x is equal to 1 plus tan squared x identity. So let's look at some examples. So here we have secant 4x, and we have technically times tan to the 0th power. So we can go ahead and we can use this. So let's break it up. So we have secant squared x times, so secant squared is equal to 1 plus tan squared x dx. Now we can see that secant squared is the derivative of tan. So if we do u is equal to tan x, du is equal to secant squared x dx. And now we can substitute that in. So we're going to get 1 plus u squared, and the du will take this. So let's integrate this. We're going to get u plus u cubed over 3 plus c, which is equal to tan x plus tan cubed x over 3. Next one, so in this one, tan to the 5, which is odd, and secant can be even or odd, so we meet the criteria. So now what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to use the tan squared identity, right? Okay, so let's do that. So this is tan to the 4th power x times tan x times secant 5x dx, right? So tan is just going to be secant squared x minus 1 times tan x 5x dx, right? So now we can do u substitution. So tan x secant x is just the derivative of secant x, right? So u is equal to secant x, du is equal to secant x tan x dx. Let's substitute. So it's going to be equal to u squared minus 1 times tan secant will go away, so it's just going to be u to the 4 du. So let's expand that. U to the 6 minus u to the 4 du, u to the 7 over 7 minus to the 5 over 5 plus c. Right, so let's make sure we did everything right. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, that's right. Tan to the 5, yeah, we break it up. It's going to be tan to the 4. Yeah, oh, nope. See, we missed something. That's supposed to be secant squared, right? That was a bracket there. So this is squared. This will be wrong. Sorry, guys. So let's expand this to a different color. Squared minus 1. So it'll be u to the 4 minus u to the 2 minus u to the 2 plus 1. U to the 4 minus 2u squared plus 1. Right, so now we get u to the 8 minus 2u to the 6 plus u to the 4 du, which is equal to u to the 9 over 9 minus 2 times u to the 7 over 7 plus u to the 5 over 5 plus c. Substitute it back in. We gotta substitute this back in for u. So it's just going to be secant 9x over 9 minus 2 over 7x plus secant 5x plus c. Thank you for watching. If this helps, please leave a like. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and I'll answer them. Have a great day.